I need to take the shrimp to that sushi restaurant. This rocky terrain is too rough.
Shrimp.
Let's go! Oh! I need a sturdier car.
Option 1, Pendulum mechanism car. Build the car chassis. The engines. The battery box. Now, add the wheels. Build the pendulum mechanism. Lego chain. Connect two parts. Lego chain link. The car uses a chain mechanism for movement. The pendulum mechanism will keep the water tray balanced during movement. Our car is ready. Wow! Now let's set up these 3 acupressure mats. This rough surface will challenge the car's balance. The car will start here and finish here. Pendulum mechanism car is ready. The initial amount of water is 200 milliliters. Let's see how much water it carries to the finish line. It moves across the carpet quite well, but the water still sloshes around a lot. Pendulum mechanism car has carried the water past the obstacle. Number 2. Stabilization mechanism car. Build the stabilization mechanism. This dual-frame structure will automatically adjust the balance for the tray. Place the tray inside. The tray stays steady even though the frame tilts. Build the car chassis. The motor. The wheel. Lego curved gear rack. I'll use these curved gear racks to make 4 legs for the car to walk on. Connect to the battery box. Connect 2 parts. Stabilization mechanism car is done. Stabilization mechanism car is ready. Awesome! The car walks on the massage mat super smoothly. Stabilization mechanism car has reached the finish line. So the green water level is higher than the yellow one. The winner is stabilization mechanism car.
This time, I'll definitely deliver this shrimp to the sushi restaurant. Yeah, mission complete. Wow! Andy, you paint so well.
But Bob, your drawing's so gross.
Your paint is mine. Oh no, where is my paint bucket?
Let me help you.
Okay.
How to build a water pump. Step 1. Build the pump impeller. Install the pipe. Add the propeller. Install the gears. Step 2. Install the frame. Step 3. Assemble. Add the engine. Add the water. Testing the water pump. Water is being pumped out of the tank. Let's add the colors. Blue, yellow, red. Water is being pumped to another tank. Add another pump. Blue, yellow, red.
Woohoo!
Here you are.
I can't believe this.
Oh no, the colors are gone.
Wait, the yellow and red mixed into orange. Let's mix them together. Yellow paint is being poured into red paint. Mixing red with yellow makes orange. Blue paint is being poured into yellow paint. Mixing yellow with blue makes green. Red paint is being poured into blue paint. Mixing blue with red makes purple. Purple, green, orange.
Ta-da!
I won't let you in easily. Now watch me.
Oh no, all the paints are being mixing together.
No more colors for you, Andy.
I can still handle this.
It's so beautiful.
No way.
Doctor, help me. My teeth are so painful.
Okay, please stand in the CT scanning area.
Panoramic dental X-ray.
You have a cavity.
Oh no!
Now please come and sit on the chair.
How to build the panoramic dental X-ray. Step 1. Build the X-ray tube. Step 2. Build the machine frame. Install the chin wrist. Install the detector. Connect the X-ray tube to the frame. Install rotating arm. Connect to the battery. Testing.
I'm scared.
I will pull out your tooth and you'll be okay. Don't be scared. It'll be quick.
I won't pull teeth anymore. Yeah, my toothache is gone.
Please lie down on the ultrasound bed. Let me show you your baby. The baby is doing well.
Thank you, doctor.
Help me. My stomach hurts a lot.
Lie on the bed, please. We need to perform an ultrasound to check your stomach.
Oh no!
Huh?
What the hell is that? You idiot! The ultrasound results are incorrect.
The engine's failing. We need to stabilize.
Build complete. Releasing ship.
Thank you. You saved my ship.
No problem. Happy to help. The job's not done. We've got more cars.
Parts are here. Let's build this quick.
Start building tanker truck. Car complete. Next cycle ready.
All the cars are done! What a long day!
Construction site.
More sand over there.
Hey, over here, buddy.
Ultimate construction truck is here!
Nice! Let's start building the public pool.
Lower the small truck! But first, we need to clear all this scrap metal!
Alright, I'll use the magnetic sweeper for this.
Go sweep up all the scrap metal!
Got it, boss.
One magnet sweeper.
Let's get started.
Wow, that's a lot of metal nails!
Let's move to the next spot. All clear, no nails left. Right, this is the last spot.
Ghost, that's way more than I thought!
Now I'll switch to the bucket attachment.
2 bucket loader.
This spot's perfect for a pool. The hole's getting pretty deep. Let's dig a bit more.
Oh! I brought the pool over here! Swing the crane!
Swimming pool.
Lower the tool! Right, almost done! It looks good!
Yeah, perfect.
The bucket job is done! Next, let's switch to the roller attachment!
Now we just need to compact the area.